empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly.
एक लाइन खींचो और यू बनाओ ये यू ये आदू
Very
डबल डी
good.
ये ओ डी यू नो 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 दिस इज नॉट इसे हमारे सामने लिखो ए डी यू
So guys, we are just moving out and mom had to change again because she likes dressing up for all the events. In one she had already prepared the lunch, so in the second one now she is ready and we are off to go. And this is Madam Monica. Yes, come on, let's go. Side waiting for us. The ladies, as usual, the ladies of the house are late.
You're running late.
Come on.
Everything is there to welcome mommy and daddy. See the welcome, the grand welcome.
With the decoration. And where is the car?
Car is also waiting.
The car is waiting there. So we are all set to go. Yes, coming.
Nana, sanitize.
Nana is sanitizing baby's hands. So everybody is comfortable?
Yes.
We are all set. And Yar and Nana is in the front and we are all at the back and all set to go. Yes.
Finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking.
So babies have got lollipops.
कौन सी वाली खोलो कौन सी खोलो
We have taken a break here. Just taking tea break here. Still 5 more hours to go.
We're unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
I think पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा होगा कि हम लोग एक फैमिली ट्रिप पर इतना लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रहे होंगे. बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. अभी बज चुके हैं 6 o'clock एंड हमने टी ब्रेक लिया है एंड वील बी नाउ मूविंग अहेड. इसके बाद मैं ड्राइव करने वाली हूँ एंड मेरे बाजू में डैड बैठेंगे तो आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. इतनी लॉन्ग ट्रिप में मैं पहली बार ड्राइव करने वाली हूँ पापा के साथ एंड मम्मी भी है, सब लोग हैं. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी वेरी नाइस टुडे. चलो आपको दिखाती हूँ पहुँच करके अपना रूम. Babies are sleeping. Good morning from Pondicherry. Guys, you can see at the back like yellow color, the French color. कॉलोनी, फ्रेंच कॉलोनी का कलर इतना अच्छा लगता है. पूरे सिटी में ऐसा येलो येलो कलर है. तो अभी हम जस्ट निकल रहे हैं. एवरीबडी इज़ रेडी एंड हम जा रहे हैं महात्मा गांधी बीच. दैट इज़ द रॉक बीच हियर. तो रॉक बीच पे जाएंगे. बारिश हो रही है बाहर, यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो थोड़ी थोड़ी. एंड अब हम निकलते हैं यहाँ से टू एक्सप्लोर द सिटी. फैमिली वेकेशन हो गया है. I really wanted this to happen since a long time and finally वो डे आ गया है. Like I don't know मैंने बहन मॉम डैड के साथ कब लास्ट में कोई वेकेशन किया होगा. But today is the day we'll explore the city. I don't know if you can see but it is raining outside.
तो किसी दे दो जल्दी से. Oh yes. Yeah, that was very sweet. Oh, very nice. Oh, very good.
Like a boss. Level up like a boss. Level up like a boss. Very good. देखो 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 अब देखो this is this is
Adrian, good morning.
Good morning.
okay this is
And everybody is ready. And this is what I'm wearing. I just love my dress.
Empty hearts and neon lights.
This was mom dad's room and it had arrangement for 3 people, like it had a bed. Sorry for the mess, didn't wanted to clear it up. रात में आकर तो मैं इतनी थक गई थी कि I did not wanted to take a room tour and I just crashed. तो हम लोग सो गए because it was really very late. 1 बज गया था पहुँचते पहुँचते. तो it was a very long drive. So अब जल्दी से निकलते हैं and explore करते हैं सिटी को.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world.
Edu, you are lacking something? What are you liking? Nothing? Chalo, we'll make a move?
Yes.
Come on, we'll head to the beach. First, we'll go to have breakfast. Come on. We are waiting for our breakfast and we are at Surguru. We have ordered idlis and dosas. And Adu wants to choose what he wants to eat.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop.
So our masala dosa is here, idli is here. North Indian we have this malai kofta and dal fry and tandoori roti. So tandoori roti is also here. Surguru is a very famous place for breakfast, especially idli and dosa, like South Indian food. So अगर आप आ रहे हो यहाँ पर पौंडीचेरी में तो इस प्लेस का इडली बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है गाइस, आपको ट्राई ज़रूर करना चाहिए. So guys, at the back of me you can see a beautiful church. ये बहुत ही पुराना चर्च है, बहुत ही ओल्ड है एंड ब्यूटीफुल भी है. इमैकुलेट कंसेप्शन कैथीड्रल. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. एंड वी हैव अ ग्रॉटो ओवर हियर वेयर पीपल आर प्रेइंग एंड सब लोग कैंडल जला रहे हैं. तो अभी वहीं पे चल कर के कैंडल जलाते हैं. So everybody is burning the candles. Candle? He wants candle. Give him candle. क्या किया आप लोगों ने?
लॉक कर दिया आपने.
अब हम कैसे आएंगे? हम कैसे आएंगे? अब हम कैसे आए?
Empty hearts and neon lights. The playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh.
Boy! Oy!
Bye.
चलो.
Miss you.
You missed him. He'll have it you.